How to remove your Messenger account from another phone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger account on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, if you want to remove your Messenger account from another iPhone or another phone, then what you can do is simply tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option you see there and scroll down to the bottom and you will see the See More in Account Center option. Or you can also simply open your Facebook application as your Facebook and Messenger application are linked to each other. Tap on the menu option in Facebook and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen and then tap on the See More in Account Center option. You will be led to same interface. Here, go ahead and tap on the password and security option you see there and then scroll down and you will see the option for where you are logged in. So tap on that particular option and then choose the account that you want to remove. Further, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all the devices that you have been logged into. So simply go ahead and select the devices that you want to log out of, and you will then see the option for select devices to log out. So repeat the same process and select the devices and then tap on the log out option, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on log out again, and with this that particular account will be logged out from another phone. So this is how you can remove your Messenger account from another phone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.